what's going on, guys? Jacob here, and in this video I want to help you guys to distinguish the buyers from the liars. All right, now I'm sure you guys have had someone to tell you, hey, I'm going to get started next Friday, I'm going to get started at the end of the month, I'm going to call you back later today. Look, guys, I'm going to help you to qualify people with three simple things. All right, three simple things to help you to increase your closing and separate those buyers from those liars. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this video, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to share three things with you guys to help you to separate those buyers from those liars. The idea is this, guys. Yes, it's a skill, okay? It's a skill, guys, and I've narrowed it down to a few questions that help me to increase my closing and help me to basically get rid of those tire kickers, all right? And look, I'm going to tell you guys, I've been through it. I know how it is when people tell you, hey, I'm going to get started Friday, I'm going to get started at the end of the month. And when that time comes, you don't hear from these people. So what we're going to do, I'm going to help you to expedite that process with three simple things. And also, be sure to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time. And also, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which of these three you like the best. Also, guys, there'll be some free resources in the comments below. And also, let me know when you implement these three things in your next coaching call, in front of your next prospect. Let me know. Come back to this video, save this video, and come back and let me know in the comments like how well and effective this worked for you. I promise you guys, this is gonna literally take your business, your closing to a whole new level, all right? For those that don't know, my name is Jermaine Cobbins, online and network marketer. And what I do, guys, I specialize in helping home-based business entrepreneurs to build and scale their business using the power of social media. However, there are those times when we do connect with people, we may get them on the phone, whatever the case may be, and what happens is, we end up wasting a lot of time with these people that really are not ready to buy. Well, I'm going to help you guys to debunk that, all right? So, three simple things, guys, to really help you to increase your closing and actually separate the buyers from the liars, all right? Here's the thing, guys. When you get that person on the phone, whichever way they connect with you, whether it's through Messenger, whether they come into your funnel, whatever that thing is, guys, listen, when you get that person on the phone, ask this question here. Hey, what are you looking to gain from this call? The power behind this, guys, is that now you can really get this person on that segue towards, hey, I want to get started in a business. Hey, I'm looking for a product. I'm looking for a solution. I'm looking for something. So this way you're not getting this person on the phone and you're just trying to pitch, or you're trying to, bombard them with information. Say, hey, what are you looking to gain from this? Okay, and what's going to happen, guys, they're going to basically start pouring out their reason for connecting with you. And of course, if somebody said, well, I don't know, you message me. Listen, guys, that's a bunch of BS. And if someone has gotten on the phone with you and they don't know why they're on the phone with you, then shame on you, because your marketing sucks, all right? But like I said, there will be resources in the comments below if you want to get better at that, all right? But what exactly do you want to gain from this call? Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is, what have you tried so far? The reason why you want to ask this, guys, you would hate to be sharing information or a strategy or a solution to someone that has already, went down that path before, all right? So what happens is so many times I know a lot of people are trying to provide some type of health and wellness product to someone that's already in the health and wellness business, right? A lot of times you have people that connect with you for various reasons. They may see you're marketing your health and wellness product in a way, and they may be looking for solutions on helping them to increase their engagement or, make more sales with their health and wellness products or whatever the case may be. So the idea is always figure these things out, guys. And regardless of wherever they're in their business, ask them, what have they tried so far? Because you will hate to, like I said, give this person something that hasn't worked before. So what have they tried? And, of course, if they tell you something that they have tried and basically that was something that you was going to provide to them, then of course you want to go a little deeper with that question and say, okay, well, what was it that, that didn't work about it, right? What was it that you liked about whatever the case may be? What was the feedback? What was the results of that, all right? So you can take that a little deeper, all right? And the third thing, which is by far my favorite, guys, what type of budget do you have set aside towards solving this issue? So many times we seem like we got the perfect prospect. we seem like you know, that person is ready to go. That person, you know, they love the presentation, they love the product, they love you, right? And yet they say, well, I don't have the money. You know, it'll be the end of the month, right? It'll be next week, whatever the case may be. And you don't want to let that person off the hook that easy. So let them know I mean, all this I'm sharing with you guys, you can literally ask these things in like the first 5 to 8 minutes or so of this phone call, all right? What type of budget do you have set aside, all right? If you notice, I didn't ask, do you have a budget, okay? Because if you ask them, do they have a budget, what you have may exceed their budget. So ask them what type of budget do they have set aside towards this issue, okay? And the idea, guys, is that when you ask this question, they have to give a specific number. They got to say, well, I have 300 bucks, I have 500 bucks, I have 100 bucks. If you have a product or a solution toward that, a product or service towards that, guys, listen, provide them with a product or service either within that, or you can take it up a notch and say, well, typically that's not enough to you know, purchase the product or service that I have. Is there any other way that you can maybe, you know, sell some things, or maybe you can borrow a few extra dollars, because what I have, it may be double that, right? So the idea is it's best to qualify these things and get those buyers, you know, up, because a lot of times it's not really that they're lying. They may not have it, but for the most time, if people giving you a money objection, guys, let me tell you, they can find a way. Like I tell my prospects and some of my coaching clients, you know, it's almost like if you can buy a Lamborghini for $10,000, like you will find a way to find 10 grand if it was a Lamborghini, knowing that this is a, you know, quarter to a $500,000 car. But if it was $10,000, you can find 10 grand somewhere to purchase this Lamborghini. And that's how it is. You got to basically set the expectation, guys. Get that perceived value. And I promise you, this will eliminate those liars. All right. So I hope you guys got value, man. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to leave your feedback in the comments below. Be sure to share this video. All right. Like I said, there'll be links in the description below. And as always, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy, J. Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.